There's no sound, so I was recording. That was no sound. But okay, so to do these examples, you could use your calculator, sure.
Wait, did you record the whole other one with no sound?
I don't know, we'll find out. Either way, it's on there now. So what you can do to find out if something's a perfect square or a perfect cube is you could use your calculator, sure, or you could do prime factorization as well.
No.
Okay. On the exam, I'm going to ask for one that's done with factorization. Okay?
You're not even recording.
Yeah, I am. It's recording all of it. Okay, the first example is what? 1764?
Yep.
All
Yes,
right.
it is.
Okay.
It is.
So 1764, let's go. I'll do this one through repeated division.
Oh, we have to do it like that.
So 1764 divided it out.
So basically, when there's a decimal, you just say, no, it's not, there's a decimal.
Right. No, not a decimal, just watch.
Yeah.
882. 882 divided by 2 would be 441. Or 41 divided by 3 is 147.
Oh shit, I lied. What was it? What?
147 divided by 3 again is 49.
I know it.
49 is just 7 times 7. Well, just hold on. I'll show you how it works. Okay? So if you look here, my prime factorization would be 2 times 2 times 3, 3.
Oh, we did a couple.
49 is 7 times 7. Okay? 7's a prime number, so it's done. Right? There's no factors of 7. What's that? Yeah, I just knew that 49 is 7 times 7.
Okay.
If you want, I could have wrote out 49 divided by 7 equals 7, and then same thing.
This is asking if it is a perfect square.
Right, so let's look at this for a second. If it's a perfect square by definition, if there are pairs of common factors, it's a perfect square. Hold on, Julie, I'm not done. You used the calculator when I said to do what I'm doing. That's where you went wrong. So now if you look, do I have pairs of numbers or pairs of factors?
Yes.
Yeah, I got 2, I got 3, and I got 7. So if I take these pairs and multiply them together, so I got 2 here, 3 times 7.
Times 2.
So 2 times 3 times 7.
It's 42.
42, right?
What is that? What, 4D?
42. I just slipped.
Look at
Try taking the square root of 1764 on your calculators now.
42.
I already wrote it.
42.
That's what I
There you go.
had.
Now, on the exam, I'm going to ask you guys to check with prime factorization for one number. And you need to be able to do this.
Just for one question.
So there'll be like 1 or 2 numbers that you got to check.
With that.
Yeah, like this.
Oh.
It's not too bad at all, is it?
Almost the same as what we just did.
It's exactly the same, but now you're just grouping the numbers and multiplying. Okay? Now, let's check the next one. What was the next number?
It's not. It's not.
2, 7, 4,
It's
4.
good. We don't have.
2, 7, 4, 4. Now, remember we also talked about square roots and
Cube.
cube roots. So if it's not square root,
It's neither.
let's find out.
No, it's a cube root.
It is.
It's
It's cube root. Yeah.
No, it's not.
Of course it's cube.
When did we
That's
learn
a decimal.
cube root?
I'm just showing you, we're learning this right now, Chloe George. Just follow along. 1372. It's an even number. number, so I'm going to divide by 2 again.
Why can't you ever divide by 4?
Because 4 is not a prime number.
I forgot.
Divide by 2 again. 3, 4, 3. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to try the number 3 on that one. No, didn't work.
7.
So let's try 7 instead. Equals 49. And I know that 49. I'll do it this way this time. 7. Okay, so here are my prime factors. 2, 7, 4, 4. So I group them together. 2 times 2 times 2, 7, 7, 7. So now I have cube roots, right? They repeat some 3s. Yeah, so there's 3 of them. There's 3 2s, 3 7s. So 2 times 2 times 2. Oh, wait, no. So it's 2. So if I have a group of 3 of them, that's 2. That's 7. The cube root, 244. It's 14. Now, do you guys know how to do cube roots on your calculator?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
I just totally done that.
Okay. So, on some of your calculators, there might be a button that looks like this. A little 3 there. On most of your guys' calculators,
What's an X?
there's going to be an X there.
How do you spell root? R-U-T? R-O.
R-O-O-T. There's going to be an X with a square root symbol.
It's that one.
Wait, like X
Oh,
with
no,
a
you just do second.
Yeah, second function.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to say, there should be an X with a little square root.
What's
If
that?
you guys can't find it, just call me over and I'll come take a look.
It's right here.
That's okay. Alright, it's right there. So you need to hit the shift for you.
Yeah.
Second function.
Mine.
I can just use this. I don't like it.
What?
There's two. One has an X beside it, one
Yeah.
has a 3 beside it.
Okay, so if it has a 3 beside it, it will take the cube root. If there's just an X, you have to go 3, second, then put that X with the root symbol, and then put the number in it. So I'm going to write out something like this. 3, shift, hit this button here on my calculator, and then I'll put 2744.
No, mine were backwards, right?
I don't know, Chloe. I'll have to come take a look. Okay? So, if you want, you could take the 5th root of numbers, the 10th root, whatever you want. Whatever number's in front of the X when you punch into your calculator will do that. Can anyone not do this on their calculator? I can come and show you. Okay?
I guess you put a 3 before the square.
So it stands for cubed.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
I thought I meant like we put that.
No, you put the 3 first so it knows it's taking the cubed root of that number.
But I don't have to do that.
Can you get 14?
Yeah.
Okay, you're good. Yeah, you shouldn't have to. You're like Shannon. You just hit the cube root button on your calculator. Yeah. A lot of you guys are gonna have to hit shift. If you can do that, cool. Done. Okay. Questions, concerns, thoughts?
No. This stuff is weird.
What's so weird about it?
Easy for us to get.
It just takes practice.
Oh, that's so weird.
It's just different.
How come there's no red around it? Like, how do you know it's recording?
Because I'm not recording just this part. I'm recording all of the screen this time.
So like we're in it?
No, just the screen. But like normally it just records like that, not all this stuff up here.
Okay.
Usually it just records it.
What's that?
We're gonna do this.
Yeah, let's do the surface area one, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do one more word problem with you guys. Backward problem.
Why is that door always open?
Dad did it.
I thought it's not supposed to.
I'll do what I want. If I want that door open, I'll leave it open. Yeah. And then my answer is because I want it open. How's that? Don't call them. No, use big kid words.
I don't
Alright.
like big kid words.
All right. So next example on the second page. Do you guys like that the sheets aren't double spaced or like back to back, or do you want them?
No.
No.
I like this.
You like it like that? Show of hands. Who wants it this way?
I don't care.
Show of hands. Who wants it the other way? So it's 3, 4, and who's indifferent? Doesn't matter.
Oh.
So it's like down the middle, all different ways.
I hate double sides.
All right. Well, I'm gonna just leave it random. So we'll see where it goes. Okay. So a cube has a volume of 12,167 cubic feet. Okay. So this is the next example on the second sheet. Okay. Cubic feet, right? Volume. We know it's a cube, so that means our cube is going to look like that. So because it's a cube, that means when we say a cube, it means all sides are equal length. Okay, so that means when we got the volume, we multiplied 3 things together that are the same. When you multiply 3 things together that all are the same, what do you call that thing?
Length times width.
Length times width, which is a perfect cube. Very good. Okay, so we know that this is a perfect cube, so that means we can take the cube root of it. Excellent. Let's take the cube root of it then, guys. Try this one on your calculator. 1, 2, 1, 6, 7.
Do you have any cube root?
Sure.
I don't know.
Oh, I'm not going to help you. I'm going to get
No.
the calculator to do it. I can't. Come
Yeah,
on.
but like I do 3.
Oh. Okay, what you hit there was square root.
I did second square root.
Yeah, you hit the second, but hit this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you go 3, second, boom.
Okay.
Now it'll do it, okay? So try it on your calculators, guys.
What's
It's
the 3 stand for?
cube root.
What? How do you do that?
I thought you could do
Showed you.
You just said you knew how to do it.
I don't know how to
Chloe.
do it.
These recordings are nothing but me yelling at you, Chloe.
And then square root.
Do you hit divide?
No, take the cube root.
Function.
Ethan, you help her.
There.
23.
Yes.
Okay, try this, you guys. Your calculators do this for you, so it's really easy. You don't have to do any math. Well, you kind of are, but you kind of are. There, you just figured it out.
That's the whole question.
That was a lot.
Is that the whole question? That's all there is to it.
Well, no. What's the question asked? Read the whole question out. Surface area.
So now what?
So you need to find the surface area of something.
How do you get that?
Oh, we didn't do this yet, did we? But that's okay.
I was gonna laugh at it. Oh,
Oh yeah, okay. Surface area.
For the kids who have to watch this video.
We normally you do unit 1 first, and you go through all surface area stuff. Surface area of a cube. If you guys ever need a formula, I will give you these formulas. They're in the textbook, but surface area is just there's 6 sides to this cube, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Makes sense with sense.
So you just go
Two.
6 times length times width. Our sides are all the same. What's our side length on this guy? 23. Good. So it's just going to be 6, 23 times 23. Or what do we call something times itself?
Squared.
Close. Perfect square.
No. Squared. 23 by.
Okay, squared. Okay, good. I thought you said square rooted. You kind of mumbled and trailed off there.
So the little 2 on the top, am I right?
Chloe, I've recorded what you said. I can play it back to you. You were like square.
No, I wasn't.
Really weren't.
No.
3174. All right.
No more.
There we go.
Surface area, right?
Okay. Was that awful? No.
But I don't want to do.
Okay. So
Wow.
now I'll throw this up on Moodle as well, but for tomorrow, I want you guys to do page 146.
Is this gonna be homework for Samurai?
No.
Yes.
Oh.
Sorry, guys. You're gone. What do you expect?
Well, you're taking us.
Yeah. I'm not like.
Well, you could do it in the car.
Yeah, you got 2 hours in the car. Thank you, Sam.
I'm not going.
That's called car sickness right there.
And I'm not. You make it sound like I'm chaperoning you to an event. I'm not like taking. You make it sound like I'm
Watch
like.
them throw up all over their stuff.
I already have the page written down.
Good.
No, like, I mean, like, it's on the bottom.
Can you tell he cares?
No.
4 to 10.
Why didn't that other stuff come back?
What
The one that's really, really good.
Yeah, the one that we like.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Audrey. That's your grandma?
No.
Oh. She is a grandmother, yes. Because I'm only here, I'm only gone for 2 classes, so she doesn't want to come for half a day.
Where does she live? Like,
I'll look. But it's just not worth it. It's just not worth her time to come here for a couple hours.
I think she'd find a word.
is that all the questions
teaching
we're
us.
doing?
What's that?
Is that all?
And I want, if anyone can get this one, well,
When do I start this? I don't know.
18.
Oh,
Okay.
there's one difference.
Got it.
Yeah, there's only one in there that I haven't shown.
You don't have to do it right now, though.
No, this is for tomorrow. Okay? And make sure to ask Mr. Krause questions. He's a good teacher. He knows stuff. Yes.
Just a little bit of stuff.
So you're saying not to ask you to ask him?